Children could not look behind and look for their parents, because they were disciplined not to.
What is the nationality of what would you say?
Israel.
And then they put a little bit together, and that's supposed to be the history.
That left from West Central
They took our land, they took our riches.
Yes, and guess what? That happened to us too.
It's much like the Mosaic Jews, for animals with only split hooves.
We want to eliminate any connection to the land and identity, the biggest thing.
You guys stop it. Don't talk to anybody. You guys sit here.
It's been going on too long. We're missing our youth, our women, our men.
None of them will come forward to speak about this.
Nobody wants to say anything about it because they're scared.
You guys are trying to impose your religion on a bunch of people?
We just want him to come home and be normal, wherever he is.
Whether we like it or not, you may not like to hear it, but we got to see what God feels about that.